Love, in this video I'm going to show you how I attempt to make a DIY purple shampoo at home. This is the regular purple shampoo that I used. I don't know why it's written as a silver shampoo, but it's a purple shampoo. I'm going to use a remaining purple shampoo that I have left, which is the rich eggplant from Adore, color 186. I'm going to empty what's left in that bottle into that glass plate right there. And after pouring the product into that glass plate, that's the purple hair dye, what I'm going to add next is my shampoo. And I'm using a clear shampoo, this one from VO5. It's very affordable. I think this entire, if you buy a full pack of this, it costs just 1,600 naira if you are in Nigeria. If you are in the US or in the UK, I'm quite sure it's going to be a lot more affordable, probably like $2 thereabouts. I added this other shampoo that I have because that other one was almost finished, and I poured a generous amount into that bowl. And after pouring in the shampoo, what I'm going to do next is to use my spoon to get mixing together. I'm going to mix both products, as the hair dye and the shampoo, together to make it what? A purple shampoo. A purple shampoo. I keep on stirring the products together to ensure that it's been thoroughly mixed. What I'm going to do is also try and check the color. I'm going to check the color of this one I'm doing to see if it matches the color of the other one that I have been using. You can see the consistency, it's quite thick. It has a thick consistency. So right now I want to check the consistency of the color. So yeah, I noticed that this other one right here seemed to be a little bit blue, unlike the other one that seemed more purple. So I went back into that dye bottle and poured more of the leftover color into the plate and got mixing just to ensure that I get the purple color to be sort of darker. Though I noticed that the one I regularly use that I purchased without doing any DIY thing has sort of like a violet bluish color. So after doing the mixture together, I transferred it back into that bottle that I poured the first clear shampoo into, and this is basically how I make my DIY purple shampoo at home. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you where I get to use this purple shampoo to wash a wig after I finish bleaching the wig. So try out the DIY purple shampoo at home and let me know how it turns out. And check out my ebooks. The links are in the description box. How to start your hair business ebooks, hair extensions, and how to test it, quality ebook. And of course, you can order wigs from me. My business page is at ENL Beauty Hair on Instagram, and also on my website you can order a custom wig from me. So guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Remember, people would have courage for positive life, and I'll see you in the next one. So this is me right here washing this wig with that purple shampoo. Yeah, I just applied a generous amount on the hair. So you would think that the purple shampoo might make the hair look purple, but it didn't. It just allowed me wash the hair and sort of, turn out the brassy color a little bit. So it didn't stain the hair at all. It didn't make the hair look like it was purple. No, it didn't do that. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, people would have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.